Hello my creative friends, Olga Soby from Smart Art Materials here, and today I have a new Samjun challenge paint kits for you, and I keep showing you different options of color combinations that work for this challenge. And check out my previous videos for more ideas. And if you're not familiar with this challenge, I'm going to include all the information in the description of the video, so check it out and join us. So today I want to work with color shift paint, and I have aqua, flash, color shift, and purple. And I have the rest of the colors that complement these two. So I'm gonna start with my purple side. First color is going to be purple. Next I'm adding purple flash, the color shift. I really love this paint. You know that. I have it in so many videos. And next I want to do a touch of gold. So I think golden color looks good with all these colors. Then a touch of white. Just a little more color shift purple. And this color, I used it in my previous video. It's purple, this purple, by Liquitex Heavy Body Paint, but I managed to get it to a nice fluid consistency. I put it to the bottom of the cup last time, so it ended up in the center of the pour and it looked so dark. I didn't like that, so today I'm putting it last, so then it touches the white, and I hope that when it mixes with white, it's going to look much better. So, okay. Now this purple, it looks almost like black right now. Okay, and I'm going to finish it up with titanium white. Alrighty, this cup is done. Now my blue cup. So I'm going to start with a Phthalo Blue by Saks. Now the color shift aqua, and also a touch of white. Now this is the blue by Sargent. Maybe a bit more phthalo blue. And more aqua green and some blue. You have to be like a cook, adding spices, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this. And again, I'm finishing it with white. Okay, my lovely cups are ready. Let's do the pouring. Alright guys, so I'm working on 16 by 16 canvas again and applying a white base first, and that's one of the conditions of the challenge. Alright guys, the base layer is done, and now the most exciting moment of the entire video, the kiss. So lift the cup and then keep going. This is how I get the full ring of blue. So I stopped the kiss and then I started over again. All right. Need to know when to stop. Now I'm going to do the torching before I start to tilt it so that I create some cells and then stretch those cells. I think it's good. Now let's stretch this beauty. So the color shift paint, you can't really tell that it's color shift while it's still wet, but as it dries, it begins to look very cool. I really like those colors together, you know, I think it's very nice. I want to add some cells right here. Okay. And the reason we add base layer is because it really helps those colors flow around. And we don't lose any rings. Unless we want to lose any. This is nice, although I do think I want to stretch this area a little more. Oh, this is why you don't point. I just ripped from my glove. Ouch. And the color from the rip does not match it at all. Like at all. What am I gonna do? So maybe try blend it. Like nothing happened. Yeah, I think this corner is too empty. You need to do something with it. Okay. On one side, you need to know when to stop. On the other side, you need to keep going until you're happy. So for me, pouring is about finding the balance between the two. Okay, this is looking good. Now I just want to do something with those edges. Alright, last step, need to do some torching, especially like to get cells on those edges over the white. Alright guys, I'm going to stop for today. I think it's beautiful and I should not touch it anymore. I'm looking forward to see your paint kisses, and don't forget to add hashtag #SamJuneChallenge so I can find them all. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!